Take 5 years of your face, erase your wrinkles, fine lines, crow's feet, and improve your skin texture with this homemade argan anti-aging serum. So let's find out how you can prepare this recipe at home. So the first thing that you need is aloe vera gel. So add around 3 teaspoons of aloe vera gel. Aloe vera is soothing, hydrating, it stimulates skin regeneration and prevents premature aging. So here I am using ready-made aloe vera gel. The next thing that you're going to add is 2 teaspoons of rose water. It keeps fine lines and wrinkles at bay. It helps hydrate, revitalize and moisturize the skin, giving your skin a refreshed and glowing look. Then add 1 teaspoon of glycerin. It combats loss of elasticity, thinning, wrinkles. It plumps the skin, regenerates fresh new skin cells. So here comes the most important ingredient, that is your argan oil. Argan oil is a great skin moisturizer. It is suitable for all skin types, including oily and acne prone skin. Because of the powerful antioxidants in it, it serves as one of the best anti-aging oil. So add around 2 teaspoons of argan oil. And the final thing that we are going to add is frankincense essential oil. It's one of the top anti-aging essential oil. It repairs skin damage and improves your overall complexion and skin texture. Combine all the ingredients together until you achieve a consistency similar to that of a serum. So once you achieve the desired consistency, transfer the content into a clean glass bottle, or you can use a glass dropper bottle. It's always best to apply serum to damp skin. So before applying, make sure you clean your face thoroughly. So use a mild toner and then apply the serum. So here is the serum. I'll show you how it works. You need just a small amount of the serum. This much is okay. So apply it all over your face and also on your neck, and gently massage. It's super hydrating, super moisturizing. And also apply to the area around your eyes to get rid of dark circles. So you can see the difference. My skin looks so glowy, so bright. You can see here. You can use the serum at any time of the day. So this serum has a very good shelf life. So you can store the serum at room temperature for up to 3 to 4 months. Friends, I hope you found this video useful. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye.